Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review and a demo for Modelones Polygel Nail Kit. So here are some of the items that I received. I have the soft gel, which is the gel right here. You get an LED lamp, you get clear and pink, top coat, base coat, no slip solution. They give you some crystals right here. As you guys can see, this is what the crystals look like. And you also receive a brush right here. So this is what the brush looks like, and I'm just going to open it. You get the spatula and you get the brush area right here. Also, because I'm going to use that, so I'm just going to take it off. You get the filing brush right here, and you get some nail forms right here. So I already did some of my nails already, as you can see, and I've already did my nails, but I'm just going to finish up with this last two. This is my second time doing it, so I wanted to correct these two nails, and I'm just going to show you how I use it. Now it also does come with a instructional kit of how to use it. So here with the instructional kit, you first put on the base coat, then you select the size of the nail form, you use the gel, you use the slip solution to form it to your nails, and then you cure it and then pop it off. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to show you. So I already picked out the size forms, and this one seems to fit really well right here, so I'm gonna go with this one right here and make sure that it is flush against my nails. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this up, and I'm gonna use the pink one right here. I'm gonna use the pink one, and I'm gonna take some of this slip solution, and I'm just going to put some of it inside of this cap right here, like maybe 2 drops, because that's all I really need. all I have to do now is just file and buff and just use a cuticle clipper just to get the edges on the right side, and I should be good to go. And I really like this polygel nail kit. I saw it on Amazon and I read the reviews and I saw some of the customers' pictures and I was blown away. So I decided to get it. I've tried acrylics in the past and acrylics are okay. I don't have any issues with acrylics, but I wasn't interested in it just because of the process to take it off. But with this, the medium is very easy to work with, and it's allows you to have time to mold the gel in place, and it allows you to, you know, fix corrections if you are maybe making a mistake. So just having that time and patience is what you really need, especially if this is your first time doing it. So it really helped me to be able to learn as I was doing it and pay attention to the little details and have room for error and room to fix my error without rushing with, you know, like acrylic where it's kind of it might be too wet, it might be too runny, it might be too thick, it may just be a little bit difficult to work with if you don't have your beads correctly when you place it down and your solution and etc. But with this, it's easy, and in my video you can see how I used it. So with the kit, I am just blown away with how much things came in the kit. Like you have a LED lamp, which I never had any of these things with me, so just having it was very helpful. And then all of those things over there was really helpful, in which I needed to do my nails. And I think the only pointers that I would say is that it is very sticky. So with it being sticky, you know, just have some paper on hand to help you to get your brush clean, and also, you know, just work with it and then you'll figure out how to use it. And I just learned that, you know, a little bit goes a long way, especially if you don't want to have long nails, because when you do file this, it is very dusty. So it does produce a lot of dust. So just a little bit goes a long way, and then you file it and most of the work is done because the top layer is already smooth. So then you just need to like paint it, and when you are putting it on your nails, I just try to make sure it's flush against with my nail underneath. And once I got the hang of that, it's all good for me. And just using a bigger nail form over your natural nail kind of helps you to just push it in there, lock it in, and then whatever excess comes out, you use that to clean up the edges, and then you're good to go. So I use everything and it looks really good. Like, I'm so surprised because this was supposed to be my birthday nails, but you know, I might have something nice and extra for my actual birthday if I continue practicing with this. But I really like it, and I'm glad with everything that I have. I'm very glad with the things that I have. This is something that I can do and practice and get better and just do my nails for myself. So I will be trying some other styles with this, and this was all freehand, so I really like it, and I just wanted to leave a review and let you guys know how it is. So definitely I will leave the information down below, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you guys have. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys until next time. Bye.